my God, bro. My boy Braaps out here. Y'all know the vibe. Let's go. Boy, hit that work. Get that work in. What is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got the 150 out there. We got the 150 out here today. I can't really talk. But yeah, as you can see, the lot's busy today. So it's going to be fun. Boy, put in work, bro. Woo! We got Braaps and Nick coming in. Yes, sir! Let's go! All the boys are out here. All the boys are out here. Woo! Let's go! Yes, sir! Oh! Yeah, you getting nasty. Hey, you getting nasty on that quad, bro. Let's go.
I'm a quad guy now, you know?
Yeah. Hey, Braaps a quad guy now. Let's go. Let's race. Let's race. Race the Braaps. Yo, I'm faster than Randy, bro. Hey, you're slow.
Huh?
You're slow.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm trying to race. You want to race now?
Yeah, let's race. Bro, I can only get to like 65, and then my bike's just like rev limiter. Hey, I was close to you for a little, and then I hit rev limiter, and I was gone. That's a 400, right? Yeah. Hey, I lied. You fast. Yeah. Let's go. We got that 150 smoke out here. My dude.
CR. Out of YZ.
Oh, it's a two-stroke. I thought it was a 150. Let's see. Hey, let's see some work. You don't need a front tire. He said he got the front tires flat. Okay. Woo! Yo, look at everyone pulling out right now. I should probably swag real quick. Damn, and you have a flat? Your bike's falling apart. He said, nah, it's just the front plate. My dude, let's go. Woo, look at that big banshee work. Big banshee work out here. Damn, that one's clean too, bro. I love seeing like clean ass old banshees. It's just a vibe. What? Alright. Yo, Braaps really a quad rider now. He doing the two wheels. Yo, what? Oh, them boys are out here. Hey, you call it? You call it. He's still going. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see the work. Let me see the work. Okay. Boy, get in it, bro. Yes, sir. some more 150 riders. Let's go. What's good, bro? Yes, sir. I love some fellow 150 smoke. Woo! They're trying to scrape the back. Yes, sir. Hey, that was a dope scrape.
What was that?
The scrape, that was sick.
Thank you, man.
It's a big wheel, right?
Nah, it's a small wheel.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I wanted the big wheel, but since I'm shorter than...
Oh, it is a small wheel.
The small wheel because it's more comfortable.
Yeah.
Well,
No.
it took me a while to learn because these fenders are way shorter than...
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta go far back on it. Boy, the lot is busy today. We got some girls out here on quads. I'm excited to rip the 150. Look at homeboy coming in. Shoo! I guess they go all the way to the end of the lot. Oh, 150 smoke. We got the boy Randy. Yes, sir. Randy keeps getting better and better. It's so sick to watch. Let's go. Woo, that big 450. Yes, sir. Woo. Yes, sir, bro. We out here. We outside. Catching up. My little 150 was catching up to his 400, bro. Oh, they're pushing it. Bike down. Bike down. Yo, so we're out here right now. It's pretty freaking busy. We got a whole vibe going right here. Yes, sir. Ooh, little quad coming in. Yes, sir. What's good, bro? How you doing?
Chilling. We out here with the greatest.
Yeah, y'all know the vibes. MotoBroo, the one and only.